prototype programs. This is the coat booth so far. So what we'll do is we'll do high velocity fan, pushes air through this box tunnel, and we'll push the air into the tarp, but it should create a flow effect for these parts to dry and cure faster. Yeah, then what we're going to do, so we'll cut out an opening here and tape that up, and then we'll cut out probably some sort of opening here to access, like a flap. Maybe it folds down. Yeah, probably be good to have it fold down. So we'll cut it here, go across and down, have that fold down, and that will give us access, and then we can close it off. Still no ventilation. I mean, we do have a little bit of ventilation coming out through the wall, but not much. Yeah, probably open up the doors or something like that. Maybe in the evening or something. So we do have a filter, a high grade. It's like a $1,000 filtration system. Picked it up at Goodwill for like $12. So we'll be able to run that to keep cleaning the air out in some sort of capacity. But yeah, we'll definitely need like breathing apparatuses and stuff all up in this joint to, like, you know, protect our lungs and everything while we're doing this. But yeah, I think we're in good shape, so we're gonna move and groove with that. So you can see, I mean, the shop is pretty messy. You know, it's always, you know, I got it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and reorganize. I reorganize once every like month or something like that, or a few months, to get it back on track. But we just had so much other stuff going on. It's been tough, but now that we're in paint mode, we're gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up for everybody. So we're gonna make this thing look good. It's gonna look good. So give everybody an update later. Figure out.